So you ready to start it up? See what happens?
Do you want me to close the hood?
Nope, go ahead. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you guys another video.
I'm ready to fix the car. You ready to fix the car?
What is on your tooth?
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. So you think you're gonna fix this piece of junk with that thing?
Oh yeah.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll take you on a nice little date night if you can make that possible.
Oh, okay.
Ah, no!
When both cars are down and this is your mode of transportation.
Coming to a channel near you. All kidding aside, babe, Blucifer is not doing good. I'm sure you
He's
probably
got
know.
a cold.
He doesn't have a cold. He has...
It's flu season.
So what are we gonna be doing today?
Fixing Blucifer. We've established
Why are you picking
that.
you just picked your nose on camera?
No, I just kind of like picked my little hair off.
We are gonna be changing the coil packs in Blucifer today. As you guys saw in the last video, and if you haven't watched it,
Watch it, like, subscribe.
there you go, listen to Romina here. But we obviously went through and I gave you guys a little update as to what's going on with the car and how I had it fixed for like 4 or 5 days, and how happy was I?
Oh, yeah, jumping off the walls.
I was so ecstatic that the car was running properly. Well, at least I thought it was. Anyway, the car is misfiring again, and in the last video, I went to Ford and bought 8 brand new coil packs, and since I've literally taken these coil packs out 4 times within the last 5 days.
He told me that if I do it and I get my hands dirty, then he'll pay for a manicure.
I didn't say that.
You did now.
All right, so Romina here is gonna get her hands dirty today. She's never really worked on a car or anything, so I'm gonna step her through it. We'll have some fun, do a little learning experience as well. And what was our #1 rule about working on the car?
Don't blow it up.
It's probably already blown up. I told you there's one thing you cannot do when we work on this car.
Get my hair stuck in it.
No, babe, I don't care about your hair. There's one thing that I said.
Make it work.
No, obviously, I said do not drop anything.
Oh yeah, because then it's long gone, right?
Pretty much. So first things first, Romina, here are the keys. Now, you're not gonna get far with it, it's misfiring. All right, let's get that hood popped.
Where is it? I don't know where it is on this car.
Well, we're gonna sit here patiently until you get the hood popped.
Oh wait, I got it.
Let's
I
go.
feel like I'm in a need for speed.
Here, I can play the song for you.
You act like you ever let me touch your car before, so.
Oh, I know, this is, oh, you got it.
Progress. Step 1, take the blower and run. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it.
We're gonna go and disconnect all the electronical components. Electronical, was that a word? That's not a word, electronical. Is that a word? Anyway, baby, come on, get with it.
I was just...
Stop petting my, get over here. So we're gonna unplug the mass airflow sensor. There's just a little clip underneath. You pull back and then you pull it out.
I can't like, catch it.
Oh yeah, you need to hit the gym. All right.
Did you just hit your head?
Yeah, I did. Now we're gonna go and work on the intake side. So we have to take this off by that clamp and this filter off by this clamp. All right, so this is gonna be your ratchet, and we're gonna be using an 8mm socket. So when you do this, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's like the best little thing you can remember. So you hear it clicking like that, that's spinning right. So that means it's gonna be loosening on its way back. So that's what we want, because we're gonna be loosening, taking this off, right? So you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it on the little hexagons. Yep, now hold your hand right there. So yeah, when it twists like that, when it goes this way, that's what you want. Get a little physical with it, it's not gonna hurt you.
Get a little rough.
Yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna set that to the side. You wanna stay organized when taking stuff off a car, that's for sure. Ask me how I know that. So now that we got our air filter off, I'm gonna go and mess with these little clips that hold these things on, because they are a complete pain in the butt. So after I remove those, you can go ahead and remove the next clamp, okay?
Sounds good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoever designed these, by the way, I don't like you. If you know the struggle, guys, drop a like, because I know I'm not the only one. And we have one more to do, and that's gonna be our JLT catch can. Catch can's gonna come off. So now that we got the catch can off and the other little vacuum line, now go ahead and loosen that clamp, and the whole clamp will actually come off. You're actually better than Brad at this, since your first time.
I'm telling.
Screw you, guy. I know it's gonna pop right off, just keep going.
Oh.
You got scared.
I almost dropped it.
Whenever you're not using a tool, just set it down, make sure it doesn't fall anywhere. Now put both hands on it. Yep, start wiggling it out. All right, so now we're gonna have the little sound tube modification underneath there. That's gonna be connected We are going to inspect that today because there is a slight possibility the car does have what they call a vacuum leak. So take the intake and actually kind of pull it up, and it's going to wedge in between. Like, you'll see where the tube, like, keep pulling. Yep, right there. Now drop it. Just leave it. Just leave it. You ready for the next part?
Yeah.
Now we're going to remove the coil pack covers. Can you guess what those are?
Is it this?
Nope, the covers. Yep, so go ahead, reach underneath. Yep, just kind of get a grip and pull up.
I'm scared.
There's nothing to be scared of. Just be confident and pull up on them. Pull up, put some muscle into it. There you go. Now just feed them out nice and gently. So for the passenger side, you were about to pull up on it. Do you see anything that might interfere with it?
This?
What is that?
The oil.
Oil cap. But yeah, that has to come off.
Be patient with me, I don't want to break it.
We're patient. There you go. And now, before you go walk that over and set it down, do you see those things labeled 1 through 4 on the passenger side? So those are actually going to be what we're changing out today. Those are the coil packs. But always remember, there's no point in working around an engine with the oil cap off, because if something goes in there, it's game over. All right, so what setting are you going to be on?
Lefty loosey.
So are you going to unplug them first, or are you going to... Yeah, that might be a good idea.
You didn't tell me to do that.
I mean, come on now. These little clips can be difficult, but you push up, and then what you're going to do is, you see this black tab right here? You push down on that, and then you slide up, just like that. Don't pull on the wires, though. Just pull up on the clips, and that'll release them.
It's hard to get your finger behind there. Can't. Ow. Ouch. Why? Why?
Come on, we want to see you do it. DVP squad, drop a like if she gets this clip. You better do this.
Oh, I got it.
Good job. High five. Hey, look at you. Already a pro. Dang, look at that. Make sure that filter doesn't come out. Is that where we're putting all our parts? Remember, organization. That's step 1.
He's OCD, y'all.
Same thing on this side. Cylinders 7 and 8 are going to be a little more difficult because you can see the blower neck kind of goes over them. You see how they're underneath there?
Let's do it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
But can you get 8? That's the real test.
I better see 2,000 likes if I get this.
2,000 likes. All right. DBP squad, you heard her. 2,000 likes. She's doing this all herself.
Bam.
You didn't get it.
I did.
Did you actually? No way. That one's the hardest. I even have a problem getting my hand underneath there. Now that you got them disconnected, the coil packs are just obviously held in by the 8mm. This is super crucial though. When I say you cannot drop anything, you can't drop these bolts. You're gonna put it on, obviously, and you know, you're just gonna loosen. I like to loosen with my hand just supporting the ratchet because it doesn't take much torque to get these loose. And I like to turn with my left hand. So you'll see it start to come out because at least you can apply pressure to it still. And once you think it's loose enough, you just grab it by the base and you can undo it from your hand. Just pull up. And with these, I like to put them straight in my pocket just so they're secured. And then from there, coil pack comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back in though.
That looks like a turkey baster.
All right, well, cooking with Romina. There you go.
I should have unscrewed it a little bit more, but I didn't want
It's
it
okay.
to...
Just, there you go.
Ooh.
Got him. Just grip the coil pack and just pull straight up.
The turkey basters.
Yeah, the turkey basters.
Boop. I don't think the turkey's ready yet. Boop.
We didn't get a boop on that one.
Boop. And boop.
This one is a little tricky just because you have to get around the battery tray.
Oh.
There you go. Coil packs 1 through 4, and we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Wait, wait, wait. Where do these go? This is your job. This ain't mine. Bro, chill. All right, continue on.
Oh.
No way! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I gotta expose you. I gotta expose you. I gotta do it. She just tried to put the handle of the ratchet onto the bolt. I saw that.
You didn't see anything.
The whole world saw it too.
Is that a pterodactyl?
The attention span of a toddler.
I think he was intimidated. Okay. I'm sweating. My mustache is sweating.
You got a dirt stash.
Really? It's like pulling teeth. I got 6 teeth pulled when I was little. They said my adult teeth were growing in or something. Like pushing my baby teeth aside, so I look like this. Is it lunchtime yet? Box of goodies.
So what are you opening?
An expensive box of things. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Brand new turkey basters right in time for Thanksgiving. Get your mom one. Are you okay if they touch the ground?
No, actually.
Now I've got them all unboxed and we're gonna install them. And the last one is in. Now we're gonna pop the screws back in. We're gonna reassemble everything and pick y'all back up in a minute.
All right, babe, so you put new coils in the car for me. I'm not expecting it to fix it, but thank you for your help. You did good.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna let you start the car. And again, guys, I don't think this is gonna be our problem. But while I was at it, guys, I went ahead and checked over the whole JLT intake. Like you guys mentioned, looking for cracks and stuff. Couldn't find anything. I took the mass airflow out, looked at it, it's very clean. And I actually eliminated the sound tube modification. I just plugged up the outlet where it was. I have the other tube inside there. So you ready to start it up? See what happens? Here goes nothing, guys. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, we gotta let it idle for a little bit and then we'll be able to tell. Try something. Hold this, aim it at the exhaust. Oh well, at least we know the coil packs are new. VMP is sending me a set of brand new injectors. We're gonna swap those out. Maybe we have a cruded injector or something, but the car is indeed misfiring still, unfortunately. But what are you gonna do? Well guys, Ramina tried, and unfortunately we were unsuccessful. The car is obviously still misfiring, as you guys heard, but at least now I'll have new injectors, another set of new injectors on the way. Coil packs are new, spark plugs are new, and we're just gonna, you know, bring it to my buddy Kevin over at Flim Flam Speed, and we're just gonna compression test, leak down test, and do the whole shebang on it and see what we can find. But it's definitely not coil packs, that's for sure, because those are brand spanking new. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this week I'll have some good news. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Hit that post notification bell and drop a like up on this video. Is there anything else you want to say?
It was fun getting my hands dirty, but like, when are you scheduling that manicure? Oh yeah, battle wounds.
Ooh, you're a warrior.
Make sure to tune in next time at 8 p.m. for another video.
Next time as in tomorrow.